Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. So welcome back to day 3 of 12 days of tutorials. And for today's video, I'm going to be using a palette that I bought that I never got the chance to use, and that's the Oden's Eye times Angelica Fest. This is the Little Ghost palette, and this is what she looks like right here. I bought both, but today I'll be using this one. So beautiful. I love the artwork and the colors. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. So this is what the eyeshadows look like. So this is what I'm going to be using in today's tutorial. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Hola amigas, besties. So can you guess what kind of look I'm going to be doing, or the colors I'm going to be using? I'll give you a second. Well, if you know me and you've been watching my videos, you know I like to somehow color coordinate between my eyeshadow and my shirt. It's just I don't know, I just like to matchy. So I was thinking of doing some type of a blue look because I feel like I've been playing too much with like purple, pinks, and even though that's a vibe and I love that, you know, I want to step out my comfort zone and try a different color. So I want to play with these blues right here that look so beautiful. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So before we jump into the eye tutorial, I'm going to tell you that I already did my eyebrows. No shocker there. I used the ABH Brow Wiz to outline them, and then I used the Anastasia dual powder, actually both in the shade Ebony, but I used the dual powder to fill them in. And then I used MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre to carve out the bottom of my eyebrows and prime the lids. So that's all I have so far. So why don't we just jump in, right? In today's video, I'm gonna be mainly using Angelica's brushes, which is Cinch Beauty, which are these 5 right here. These are perfect, and yeah, I'm gonna be using these. So like I said, I want to do a blue look. So first, let's see, I'm going to use this E.L.F brush, and I'm going to I'm going to go into Cinch E.L.F brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Haunted House, which is this royal blue shade right here. And I think I'm going to go for a halo look. So I'm going to apply that shade in the inner and outer part of the eyelid. So here, ooh, and it's really pigmented. I'm glad I went with this small brush because it's really pigmented and I don't want it to go all over the place. So inner and outer part right here, very pigmented indeed. So I'm just placing the color because I'm going to go in with another shade to blend it out. Alrighty. So now that I use that shade, I'm going to go into another brush. I'm going to use the Cinch E.L.F blending. It's like a really small taper blending brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Haunted. Yes, Haunted, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to use that on the outer part of the other shade to blend it out. And don't worry if we lose that Haunted House shade, because we are gonna go back to intensify that shade in a little bit. So far, these shades are blending so beautifully. Alrighty, so I like how that is looking. I'm just gonna use my color switch to clean this brush because I want to go into that to the baby blue shade. And I just want to stick to her brushes. So like I mentioned, I'm gonna go into Goldish, which is this like baby blue shade, and I'm gonna use that for the outer part right here to blend. Such a pretty baby blue shade. And actually I'm gonna use that Goldish shade in this inner part right here of the lid. Even though we're gonna use a shimmer, but I want to lay down that baby blue shade. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go back to the Singe ER4 brush, and I'm gonna go into Haunted House, which is that royal blue, and tapping lightly because this is very pigmented. I'm just gonna keep this in this outer part right here, just so you can see like all the colors very nicely, and of course some dimension as well. So this is really pretty, and you can stop here and make it an all matte look, but I love my shimmers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some type of a glitter glue. This is just what I do all the time. So let's see. I'm going to be using the McGrath Labs Intensify Artistry wand. Now you can use whatever you have, or you don't have to use this at all. I'm just using it because I bought it. It was expensive, so I want to get my use out of it. But yeah, I also use the Too Faced glitter glue. You can use the NYX glitter glue as well. It all works perfectly. But this is what I have on hand. So I'm just gonna use this and swipe it right in the middle, because that's where I'm gonna apply my shimmers. Alrighty, so I'm going to use, let's see, I think I want to use Creepy, which is this blue shade right here, but I also want to use this pink right here. So let's try going in with Creepy first, which is the blue, and we'll take it from there. Ooh, do you see that? So pretty. So I'm just gonna apply this to the center, actually to the sides, no, everywhere. So that shade is beautiful. However, I'm gonna go into the pink shade, because I like, when I do halo eyes, I like it to be light in the center, bring some lightness, I would say. So I'm gonna go with Boo, and I'm gonna apply this to like right over that blue shade. So like so. Perfect. Oh my gosh, beautiful. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go back with the other shades to try and blend. So I'm going to use the E.L.F, which is that small blending brush, and I'm going to go into Haunted to try and blend. Then I'm going to go into Haunted House, which was that navy blue, and I'm just going to add a little bit more to this inner part right here. Yeah, that's perfect. And I'm gonna go into E.L.F to grab that pink shade, that Boo color, and just apply it again That's such a beautiful shade. And I've mentioned this before, but this brush, this E.L.F. brush, is perfection. For shimmers, glitters, it picks it up so nicely. So highly, highly recommend. Right now she sells her brushes in a bundle, which I wouldn't mind buying just because they're very precise brushes and they're perfect for, like, you know, hooded eyes. I have hooded eyes somewhat, but what she says, she's gonna sell them eventually individually, and I'm going to purchase this brush. I'm gonna purchase a few of these because it's just fantastic. It's perfect. So when she has another sale, I'll probably end up buying a whole bundle. But yeah, so yeah, I like how this looks. So now I'm just gonna jump off camera. I'm gonna finish the face and then I'll come back and show you the final results. So stay tuned. Hola amigas, so this is the final look using the little ghost palette right here. I used all the blues, basically these two right here, these two right here, and then I used this pink shimmer, which I think it looks so pretty, and it also lightened the other blue shimmer that we used. When I do a halo eye, I like to bring light to the center, hence the name Halo. But yeah, like I really like this. But yeah, what do you guys think? It's definitely out of my comfort zone. I typically don't wear a lot of blues, but every now and then I like to do something different. But yeah, anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. Looking forward to the next. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.